Hello, Pratik here from SigmaMind AI. I wanted to show you a quick demo of an AI sales rep that sells medical test kits to seniors. This AI sales rep is designed to pass on any interested leads to a health consultant. Now, we designed this voice AI agent on the SigmaMind AI platform via a single shot prompt, and I'll show you after this live demo call how we designed this. Now I'll get this call on my phone number from the sales rep. Take a listen. And here we go. I'm getting a call from Acme Labs. So let's pick up the call.
Good afternoon. This is Lana from Acme Labs. Am I speaking with Mr. Smith?
Yeah, this is Mr. Smith here.
Great. Thank you, Mr. Smith. I'm calling from Acme Labs to share some information about our early detection diabetes test kits. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing well. Thank you for asking. I appreciate you taking the time to chat with me today. Our diabetes test kit helps with early detection, which can be really beneficial. Would you like to hear more about it?
Yeah, sure.
Wonderful. Our kit is designed to be easy to use at home and provides quick results, which can help in identifying any potential signs of diabetes early on. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about the kit?
Yeah, sure. How much does it cost and what is the process like?
The kit is $73, which covers everything, including shipping and lab processing. Once you receive it, you'll collect a small sample following the simple instructions and send it back in the prepaid package. Is there anything else you'd like to know or any concerns you might have?
Can you give me a discount since I'm a senior?
I completely understand, Mr. Smith. I can offer you $10 off today if that helps. Would you like me to connect you to a health specialist to assist further?
Yeah, sure. That sounds great.
Thank you for your interest, Mr. Smith. I'll connect you to a health specialist who will ask a few quick questions to confirm eligibility and help with the next steps. Please hold for a moment.
Absolutely. Thank you. And as you saw that live demo call, it was very natural and it showed me, gave me the exact price, it gave me the discount that I asked for, and it transferred my call to a health consultant. Now let me show you how we actually built this sales rep AI. So to build this AI agent, this is how you can build it. You just go to agent builder on the SigmaMind AI platform, and on the platform you can build it like this. Just go to start trigger, select conversation started. You don't need to select any intents, and then you enter this prompt here in the response box. So as you can see, I've entered this prompt, and you can test out and fill out this prompt, and then make sure under advanced settings you toggle this on, which is include brand persona, and you can basically have multiple options. So in our case, as you saw in the demo, when the customer was interested here, so if the customer message is interested, you just transfer the call to a health consultant, and then if the customer is not interested, you can essentially just end the call. And for everything else, you just loop back into the same prompt here. So what this wait new message toggle does is it will essentially just wait for the response from the receiver before answering or asking any questions based off of this prompt. And you can even test out this particular AI agent on Playground. You can just click this button, test in Playground, and yeah. So hope you like this demo. For any questions, feel free to reach out to us and check out SigmaMind.ai. Thank you.